Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. This set of 4 green velvet chairs from INO Design was exactly what I was looking for to add some pop of color to my office space as well as a place to sit. So this design is a mid-century modern design and the fabric is so soft and velvety. They have a surprising amount of cushion given their size, so I do find that they are comfortable to sit on, whether I'm just sitting to put my shoes on, if I am eating lunch around the table. The 4 of them fit well around a table, but they're so cute, they even look good on their own. It's just a adorable, stylish, beautiful chair. It goes together easy. The instructions were very simple. I'm really impressed with how they look. It's a very sleek, professional looking chair that again goes well on its own. So if you're looking for accent chairs or if you want to fit them around a table, they work really nice around a table as well. I'm very happy with these chairs. They were exactly what I was looking for. A beautiful, stylish pop of color that doesn't take up too much space, that gives me a place to sit, and that is comfortable. And that is my point of view.